In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout on Squarespace, create and edit checkout page, template 2025. Easily. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head to your website's settings. If you see the search bar at the top of the panel, type checkout to jump straight to the right place. Open the checkout settings. This is where you control your payment connection, currency and measurement standards, express checkout options, order number format, newsletter sign-up, checkout form fields, and your store policies. All the essentials to make purchasing smooth and trustworthy. Start by confirming your payment setup. Make sure your payment processor is connected and active so customers can actually complete orders. Next, set your store currency and your measurement standard, like metric or imperial, to ensure product dimensions and shipping rates display correctly for your audience. Look for express checkout options and enable the providers you want. These can speed up conversions by letting customers pay with stored credentials. Review your order number format so your records are clear and searchable. Then decide whether to show a newsletter sign-up at checkout. If you enable it, keep the language transparent and make sure it aligns with your privacy practices. Open the receipt details section. Choose what customers see on their receipts, such as itemized prices, taxes, shipping, and any notes. Clear receipts reduce support requests and build trust. If there's a price and tax details panel, verify how taxes and discounts appear on both checkout and receipts, so totals are unambiguous. Next, visit the section for collecting additional information during checkout. Add only the fields you truly need, like an order note or gift message, because shorter forms lead to higher completion rates. If there's an advanced area, proceed thoughtfully. Use it to fine-tune behaviors or add safe, compliant enhancements. Avoid adding anything that could slow the page or compromise security. Now open store policies. Fill in or update your shipping, returns, privacy, and terms. Keep each policy concise, accurate, and customer-friendly. Clear policies set expectations, reduce chargebacks, and help your site meet legal standards. Be sure everything here matches what you display elsewhere on your site. Finally, go to Checkout Page Customization to tailor the look and feel of your checkout. Add your logo, confirm your brand colors and typography, and review the layout for clarity. Keep distractions minimal and emphasize the order summary and call to action so customers can finish quickly and confidently. When you're done, save your changes and run a quick test order using a low-cost product. Verify payments process, emails send correctly, totals display as expected, and your policies are visible. With these settings dialed in, your Squarespace checkout will be fast, trustworthy, and on brand.